Hey guys and gals, how you doing? My name's Kevin Hokawan, and real quick, I want to go ahead and invite you to join a platform as a beta tester or an early adopter of what we're doing. If you don't know who I am, if you're like, I don't know this guy, that's cool. Let me give you a little bit of background about what I've done over the last few years. You see, when e-commerce started booming, when Amazon started having that hockey stick approach going straight up, I was at the forefront of that. I was lucky enough to be in a position where I was able to train over 150,000 students on how to leverage Amazon, how to leverage eBay, and how to do marketing online. So if you're somebody who's been in e-commerce and you've seen your sales decline, or you've wanted to get in e-commerce and you've wanted to get into something that's new and exciting, then I want to invite you to get on a platform that has just launched. It's in the launching phase right now, and a select group of people have access to this, to beta test it, to check it out, to try it out before it goes live, and I can waive your fee to get on there. If that's something that you want to do, you want to learn how to do internet marketing, online marketing, and you're interested in e-commerce, or you want to go ahead and scale and grow an e-commerce business, then here's what I want you to do. I want you to click on that message button below this video and send me a quick message, and I will go ahead, we'll have a little chat, see if you're a good fit, and I will send you a special link that'll give you access to beta test this platform as an early adopter. All right, there's nothing to buy, there's nothing for you to actually purchase. All you have to do is create your free account, but I can't just post a link, I have to speak with you first. And anytime, anywhere you see this video, all you have to do is click that messenger button, because it might be me sending this to you, or it might be one of our early adopters, one of our beta testers who has the ability to also invite you. So if this sounds cool, if you want to make 2019, the rest of 2019 and moving into 2020, the best time of your life when it comes to e-commerce, and get into a whole new platform that is brand new, that is bringing out something called social e-commerce, right? Where we're able to go ahead and build our e-commerce businesses in a way that you have not seen before, I guarantee you, and be a part of this, then all you have to do is message me, okay? So with that being said, take care, talk soon, my friends. Kevin Hokawan, sign off. Send a message to that button below, click on it, and I will see you guys on the inside. Bye.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for our future videos. As you understand, we are talking about a new social e-commerce platform which came to revolutionize the e-commerce and the online business in general. Now that dropshipping is becoming more difficult than ever, we all have a unique opportunity to leverage this platform and start earning every day in autopilot, and all of this without selling anything and without recruiting anyone. You will understand how it works once you open your free account. Why choose Unbox platform? Instant profitability, yes, that's a thing with us. You know how other businesses have thousands of dollars in hidden costs? It's the opposite with us. We give you funds to use towards products that you can then use to generate instant profits. And just by sharing this incredible platform, you can scale your income even further. No inventory and sourcing, leverage our vast range of products across multiple industries, so you'll never need to purchase inventory or manage fulfillment yourself. Give away products to earn. Receive monthly allowances to give away products and services to others and earn big margins across the board. Build your personal network, expand your reach with your Unbox network that pays you with every product sold or given away. Stay tuned and I will explain more in the rest of the video. Keep watching and learn how you will open today your absolutely free account. There is a link under this video, and start leveraging from today the social e-commerce platform. I have been building an online business since 2014 with e-commerce, affiliate marketing and online digital courses. This is the first platform that not only combines all of those, but changes the entire business model into giving away instead of sell stuff. I have shifted my focus entirely to this new system, the called social e-commerce platform. 2 weeks in and I am profitable, first time in an online business. I have tried almost everything, yes, even the dreaded MLMs, but despite some small successes, never actually been profitable. Huge difference between revenue and profit. This is the first time, and it's just the beginning. Open your absolutely free account today by clicking the link under the video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell to get notifications for our future videos. Once again, thank you for watching, stay well and enjoy life.